So today I'll show you how to enable WhatsApp notification in Prizma OTP login app. So let's get started. Let's go to Prizma OTP and social login. And here is WhatsApp automation tab. Let's click on that. So there are 3 reminders we can send for abandoned cart. Let's enable one. Let's set a time. Let's send it after 5 minutes of being declared abandoned by Shopify. Cool. And here is how we enable second reminder. Let's send a coupon along with the reminder. Second reminder, let's send it after 1 hour. You need to create coupon in your system from discount section here. Okay, second reminder is also enabled. So here is how you can basically enable all the reminders, and here are the order updates. New prepaid orders, you can enable it. I have already enabled. And then new COD order, and in COD order you have basically your customer will see option of confirm, and if you choose this particular template, they will see option of confirm and cancel. So is basically you can enable all the other notifications. These are order related and these are fulfillment related. So this is with tracking, order fulfillment with tracking. In case during fulfillment tracking number is also added, then this notification will be sent. And this is partially fulfilled in case user has ordered 2 items and one is fulfilled, so then this notification will be sent. Then out for delivery, delivered. So your shipping partner has to update uh, fulfillment status. So in case they are not doing, you can talk to them. So then out for delivery and deliver notification will be sent to your customer. And these are payment related notifications: payment confirm and refund confirmation. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.